Hi children, good morning. 9th standard, unit 1, economics, understanding development, perspectives, measurement and sustainability. Already discussed the topic economic development, indicator of economic development. Now discuss the topic sustainability of development. Sustainable economic development is taken to mean development without damaging the environment and not compromising with the needs of the future generation. Sustainability of development is comparatively a new area of knowledge in which scientists, economists, philosophers and other social scientists are working together. Natural resources can be divided into renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources are resources that can be replaced during a human life. For example, plants, animals, sun's energy. Next, non-renewable resources or resources that cannot be replaced during a human life. For example, coal, soil, metals. To achieve real sustainability, we need to balance economic, social and environmental sustainability in equal harmony. Look at the picture. Literacy rate of Tamil Nadu is the second highest among the southern states. Tamil Nadu literacy rate is higher than the national average. Next, discuss the topic solar power in India. Solar power is the conservation of energy from sunlight into electricity either directly using photovoltaic cells or indirectly using concentrated solar power. The solar electric system can be produced electricity for our home and office. Solar power in India is a fast developing industry. For example, Tamil Nadu is one of the leading solar power producing states in India. As on 31st July 2017, the total installed capacity in Tamil Nadu is 1697 megawatt. Next, discuss the topic environmental policies in India. Environmental policies in India have been evolved considerably over the past 3 decades. These policies have covered a wide range of issues such as air, water pollution, waste management and biodiversity conservation. Next, discuss the topic list of environmental acts in India. First Act, National Green Tribunal Act 2010. This act environmental protection and conservation of forest and other natural resources. Second Act, Biological Diversity Act 2002. This act to provide for conservation of biological diversity. Third Act, the Environment Protection Act 1986. This act providing for the protection and improvement of the environment. Next, Fourth Act, Forest Conservation Act 1980. This act checked deforestation and encourage afforestation. Afforestation, that means planting trees of non-forest areas. Fifth Act, Water Preservation and Control of Pollution Act 1974. This act provides maintenance and restoration and quality of all types of surface and groundwater. The next act, Wildlife Protection Act 1972. This act providing protection to wild animals and birds. Thank you.